Hello, my name is Pierre, Sturgis, and United States Marine, gunnery sergeant in the United States Marine Corps. I served in 2010 all the way until now. I'm actually in the Marine Corps Reserves. So even as an amputee, I am continuing to serve my country in the best way I can possibly can. So the way I became an amputee is due to it was a gunshot. So it hit my femoral artery, ended up bleeding out. I got rushed to the hospital. While I'm in the hospital, it was countless surgeries they was trying to do in order to repair my artery to save my leg. During that time, I had to make the sound decision to get my leg amputated in order to save the rest of my life. I was stuck in a wheelchair, for, I say, the first month and a half, 2 months, before they fitted me with a prosthetic and allowed me to start walking again. And then somebody told me about Blatchford. They told me about the Linx system, which is it has an electronic knee and a foot combined, which allowed me to continue to walk, but also allowed me to walk on an uneven terrain and things like that. So it's like even though my life has changed drastically because of the injury, it also allowed me to continue to do certain things that I always love and enjoy. So some of my favorite features for the Linx systems is walking up and down hills as well as descending the stairs. So because of the features that the Linx system has, it allowed me to fluently stay in motion regardless of the terrain. So it allows me to just walk without thinking about a curb being there, or it's like a slight slope here or there. So whether it's grass, whether it's gravel, I can easily just walk with ease. Another feature that I love is the supportive seating. Because I'm a remote worker, I stay home most of the time. I'm always seated at the desk. So it allows me to sit down comfortably as well as stand up, with ease when I have to go about and do other things. Outside of that, I also am in the military. So when it comes to like extended standing points, right, doing formations and things like that, I just stand for a split second, the knee locks up, I'm in extended standing mode, and that allows me to stand, in a position of attention or parade rest for a long duration of time, rather than trying to fight the knee to be in the standing position where it's exerting more energy and causing a lot of lower back issues and things like that. Something I would say to someone who is trying to figure out what device is going to work best for them, of course, you're going to listen to your prosthesist overall. One of the things I will recommend is Blatchford. And the reason why is because the different variety of products that they do have for your needs, right? If you're a runner, they have feet for runners, right? If you are someone that's within the K2 range, they have a prosthetic for that, right? If you interested in walking faster or changing your pace and speed, the Linx is for that, right? You can be someone who's K2 and you can still wear a Linx system. It's just that it can get programmed for your pace and your speed, right? And that's the reason I stand behind the product, is because it's adjustable to the wearer. And that's what it needs to be. It's your leg, so it should feel like it's part of you. My motivations is mainly gonna be my daughter. I wanna continue to walk alongside of her, but also my motivation is the Marine Corps. I wanna continue to serve in the best capacity I can possibly serve in. And then not only that, I also would like to try to make it to the Paralympics. So as long as I have my Linx system that's next to me, that allows me to continue to serve and do the things I need to do.